Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to focus on ordering foods, drinks at restaurants. So I decided to start off by enhancing your vocabulary again with keywords that you might want to know when being at a restaurant. So I will go over the list of words, and a little bit later on, I will give you some phrases that you can use that would help you be able to order food yourself. So, café, that is a coffee. Sucre is sugar. Maybe you want to add sugar in your coffee. Okay, sucre means sugar. Croissant, this one is the exact same. A croissant is a croissant. They are amazing. Beurre, this means butter. Maybe you want butter on your toast or a butter croissant. So beurre means butter. Salade de poulet. Salade de poulet is a chicken salad. Sorry, a little sloppy. Chicken salad. Poisson is a fish. Okay, so as you can see, most of the words actually have the same initial sound, like the same letter, C, C, S, S, C, okay, and so on, except for poisson. That is a little trick just to give you a better understanding when you are trying to read the words. So we have coffee, sugar, croissant, butter, chicken salad, fish. There is a much larger list of words in your booklet. Feel free to use that. But I will use these to help you practice ordering a meal at a restaurant or a coffee shop.